Hello, our art friend. Today in Kitty Can Draw, we are going to learn how to draw Bluey, the healer pup. So grab your art supplies and let's start drawing. Draw a large circle for the eye and a smaller circle inside. Then color it. Draw a small line, then make a half circle over it, and another smaller one inside. Then color it as well. Make thick eyebrows over the eyes. For the nose, draw a triangular shape with rounded corners. And color it, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Make Bluey's happy mouth and end it with a small curve. Decorate this part with a couple of wavy lines. To make the body, draw a line connecting the nose and the eyebrow, another line connecting the two eyebrows, and the third line going to the side, then down. Draw the arm, then the finger. And decorate the arm with a line in the middle. Then finish the body. Draw a leg coming down from the body. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And make two small curved lines for the toes. Then decorate the leg with a line in the middle. Repeat the same step to make the other leg. For the ear, draw a triangular shape and a smaller one inside. Repeat the same step to make the other ear. Draw a few curved lines connected to each other to make the tail. And decorate it with a line in the middle. Decorate Bluey's body with a few curved lines around the eyes. And on the belly. And a couple of spots on the back. Great! Now you can draw Bluey. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. Did you have fun drawing Bluey? I know we had. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.